campaign banner in the shape of triangle shown in the figure. This is the banner we have to prepare. Cost is 1 centimeter square is rupees 2. So centimeter square is given. It means we have to find out the area. Okay, how to find out the area of triangle? Half base height, but you don't know base and height. Okay, so you can directly use the coordinate formula. What is the coordinate formula? See this. We have did this in 52 video. Okay, 1 by 2 into, see this, x1 into, see this, x1 into y1 x1 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. See here, 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Where there is x, there is no x again in the bracket. Okay, simple logic. 1 2 3 blah 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 blah. Okay, move on. 1 upon 2 into, solve this, you will get minus 10 upon 2, that is minus 5. But area can't be negative, so put a modular sign, make it positive. Okay, so it is 5. Now cost, you know, 2 rupees per square centimeter. So total is 5 square centimeter. 5 to the 10. 10 rupees is the cost of the banner. That's what is the answer. A well planned locality has two straight roads perpendicular to each other. See this, X and Y road. Okay, there are 5 lanes parallel to road 1. See, these are the 5 lanes, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and each lane has 8 houses. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, Chaitanya lives in 6th house in the 5th lane. This is 5 over here. Okay,